Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to layer videos in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Layering videos in Adobe Express allows you to create visually dynamic projects by stacking and arranging multiple videos. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands and amazing and inspiring designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. In my case, I am starting with this design right here. So I have two elements, the picture of our boss and of course our logo for GPLAP's YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is go to the left side panel of my dashboard and click the media wherein I can add videos right here. You have two options for the video. You can upload from your device if you have a specific video that you're going to use, or you can simply go to the free videos that Adobe Express offers. Remember that some of the videos offers premium content. That means you are required to upgrade to the premium plan if you're using the free trial. So you might want to avoid that. But of course, if you are subscribed to Adobe Premium like I do, you don't have any limitation and then you can use all the content here free. Now, for example, we're going to stack videos after videos and after videos. All right. So for example, this, I'm going to add another video like this right here. For example, this is where you can stack all the videos together right here. Okay. I'm going to send that backward. Right. So another video. So we can go to bring to front. And I'm going to add another, probably the last video here. Hover to the media section again. Go to the most recently used. Wait for it. It takes a little while. Right. So this one right here, which is going to be at the very back. Send to back. All right. So now what I want you to do to layer videos all together, you have an option here that says layers. All right. If you can't see the layers section, click this small icon that says layer. All right. And you will see all the layers stacked together. So this is layer 1 for the video, layer 2 video, layer 3 of the video, and layer 4. So we have 4 videos together. For you to be able to check the layers right here, all you have to do is you can group them all together by pressing this, all right? And click on group so you can group them all together. You see, you would notice that all the videos has been stacked all together, all right? But I'm gonna undo that right now. Said I'm going to add another video right here on the media. Go again to the video so we can see how we can layer them from scratch. Now, this time I'm going to add something like this, maybe just like this one here. Send it to back. Now, what I'm going to do is reduce the opacity. So kind of like, you see that it's overlaid. You overlay, basically you overlay the video. Send to bring to front. See that? So that video is kind of like layered. So you have these layered videos all together. Click that to see if all the elements have blended together. You see that? Now, once you are happy with this layered videos right here, you might want to click the upper right corner where you can download this amazing layered videos into one design. All right, you have the option to download as MP4 or 4K. But if you want to share this amazing design to your client or boss, just copy that link and send the link to them. Or if you want to make a template out of this amazing design that you have created, featuring layered videos, just click the save template. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.